Presenting a pre-owned 2006 Lexus GS. This four-door sedan has a six-cylinder, 3.0-liter V6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Lexus has less than 74,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 19 miles per gallon in the city, and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free AutoCheck Vehicle History Report. Key features include satellite radio, rear parking sensors, power sunroof, navigation system, automatic climate control, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, universal remote, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, Bluetooth, and power windows.